Friends, open PicsArt app. Friends, this is today's background. The background link in the description. First step, go to add photo and select background model image. Friends, this is the model image. I already arranged the background by using this cutout tool. Now simply arrange this model image perfectly in the center here. Perfect. Decrease little opacity. Now tap on eraser. Now select the eraser tool. Increase the size. Decrease opacity. Decrease hardness. Erase on the bottom portion like I am doing in the video. It is very simple and easy dual photo editing tutorial. It is perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Tap on tick. Next step, go to add photo and select floor PNG. This floor PNG, zoom out and bring to the center like I am doing in the video. Perfect. Now go to tools, increase saturation, decrease shadow, decrease highlights, tap on. Now tap on tick mark. Now select the eraser, tap on eraser, increase the opacity, decrease hardness, erase these unwanted black portions on the background. Now tap on tick mark, tap on tick. Next step, go to add photo and select standing pose model image and shadow effect. You have to arrange this model perfectly in the center here. Zoom in and keep this shadow under the model. Now tap on layers, tap on mode on. Perfect. Now select the text. You can write single or you can write solo. Tap on done, tap on tick. Scroll up and select another hand on. Now tap, select the color, select the red color, tap on stroke, select the black color, arrange it on left side. Now again tap on text, write boy, tap on done, tap on tick, tap on colors, select red color, tap on stroke, select the black color, arrange on the right side. It is solo boy photo editing. Now tap on tick. And the next step, go to add photo and select the smoke effect. Decrease opacity, zoom out, bring little down, go to blend and make it screen. Now tap on tick mark. Final step, go to tools, go to adjust and you can give a little touch up, saturation, contrast, decrease little highlights, decrease little shadow, give little temperature, it is nice, and increase little contrast, it will be nice. Now tap on tick. Friends, finally our special solo by dual photo editing tutorial is completed. This is the before background, this is the final output. Now tap on save. See you next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.